And so a lot of my career has been about making those connections and helping people understand how to take action. And so what we're going to do as we walk through this home is to look at various parts of the home and say, okay, what does this have to do with engineering and climate change? What does this have to do with engineering and climate change? What does that have to do with engineering and climate change? Because amazingly, there's not one thing in this house that isn't part of potentially the problem and potentially part of the solution. So we'll walk through and say, well, what about this? Talk to us about this. And we can talk to you literally about every part of this home. All the systems and building materials and processes and designs in the building hinge upon one another. And so we've had a really terrifically productive collaboration on this project. Another comment I was going to make too, a more obvious engineering issue, we'll look at these beautiful trusses above us. These are really gorgeous. Part of the aesthetic that Paul and Linda wanted was sort of that of a barn, something that's more rustic than refined, but they also want to be mindful of the impact on the planet. We are facing climate change. One of my friends says it's really not climate change so much as it's climate chaos. We don't really know what the impacts of climate change are going to be. And so we also want to make sure that this house was able to function in an unpredictable climatic future. So that's also part of what underlies this.